That room in your house that's always freezing? Yeah, you can put a fireplace there. Heat N Glo Fireplaces aren't just for living rooms anymore. With revolutionary direct vent technology, you can transform virtually any space in your home. That chilly bedroom, the home office where your fingers freeze, even that basement rec room, all possible. As an authorized Heat N Glo fireplace dealer, Basic Energy offers the latest high-quality fireplaces designed for ultimate comfort and efficiency. Whether you're upgrading your current fireplace or installing a brand new one, we've got you covered. And the designs? From sleek contemporary to rustic traditional, they become the heart of any room. Basic Energy is your local authorized dealer in Mineola, handling everything from selection to installation. Imagine coming home to warmth and ambiance in that once-forgotten space. Visit heatglowservice.com or call 516-294-9044. Or visit our store at 500 Jericho Turnpike No. 4, Mineola, NY 11501, because no one builds a better fire.